We'll guide you through how to deploy on Vercel Pro. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Vercel website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard. Click on the New Project button. This will take you to a page where you can import your Git repository. You can connect your GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket account if you haven't already. Select the repository you want to deploy. After selecting the repository, Vercel will automatically detect the framework you're using and apply the necessary build settings. If for some reason it doesn't, you can manually configure the build settings by clicking on Advanced Settings. Here, you can specify the build command, output directory, and any environment variables your project requires. Once everything's set, click on the Deploy button. Vercel will start the deployment process, and you can watch the progress on the deployment page. This usually takes a few minutes. Once the deployment is complete, you'll get a confirmation, and your project will be live on a Vercel domain. You can always go back to the dashboard to manage your deployment, view logs, or even redeploy if needed. It's super user-friendly, and you can manage everything from one place. If you want to add a custom domain, go to the Domains tab in your project settings and follow the instructions to link your domain. Vercel provides easy integration with DNS settings, making it simple to point your domain to your Vercel deployment. And that's it. You've successfully deployed on Vercel Pro. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.